Get ready to enjoy a mouth-watering recipe that's going to win everyone's heart. Let's begin. With 2 boiled potatoes 180 grams, 50 grams sliced capsicum and 40 grams chopped carrot.
So welcome to our channel The Foodie Couple 333 and let's begin with our today's recipe.
Mash the boiled potatoes and add half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon black pepper powder and 1/4 cup of corn flour. Now mix everything well. Grease your palms with a little oil so the mixture doesn't stick. Then take a small portion of the mixture and shape it into a ball. Now repeat the process with the rest until they are all ready. Then take a pan and heat some oil for deep frying and gently drop the potato balls into the hot oil one at a time. Fry till it's golden brown. Once done, take out the potato balls and keep them aside. Now take a pot and add 2 tablespoons oil, carrot, capsicum and stir fry for 3 minutes on medium flame. Then add 1 tablespoon Schezwan Chutney, 1 tablespoon Tomato Ketchup, 1 teaspoon Red Chilli Sauce, 1 teaspoon Green Chilli Sauce and half teaspoon Dark Soy Sauce. Now stir fry for a minute on low flame. Then add 350 ml of water, give it a stir and let it boil on high flame. To make slurry, take 2 tablespoons corn flour and 100 ml of water. Mix it well and add the slurry to thicken the gravy. Mix it well on high flame till the gravy gets thick. Then add the fried potato balls and give it a stir. And our potato Manchurian gravy is ready to eat.
So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Enjoy!